In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to cancel your Shopify subscription. To start off, you need to log in to the administrative panel of your store. You will do so by entering your unique credentials, which typically includes a username and a password. Make sure to keep them confidential to avoid unauthorized access. Once you have successfully logged into your store's admin panel, go ahead and locate the option that reads Settings. You should find this usually at the bottom left corner of the page. It's in this section that you can modify all your store's preferences. After you click on Settings, you will see another list of options appear in the left-hand menu. From here, navigate and click on the one labeled as Plan. The Plan section gives you information about your existing plan and allows you to make changes to it. A little scrolling down within the Plan section leads you to the Deactivate Store or Cancel Plan button. Clicking on this button will take you to the deactivation process. But before you click ahead, I suggest that you carefully review all the options available to you. You may receive prompts suggesting alternatives to outright cancellation, such as pausing your store for a while or even starting a new one. Carefully weigh these options against your current needs and future plans before you decide to proceed with the full cancellation. The next step, once you have made the choice, is to provide a reason for cancellation. Shopify usually presents you with a list of common reasons, and you can quickly choose from it. But of course, if none of these reasons match your situation, you will often have an option to manually input your reasons before proceeding. The penultimate step in the process involves confirming your cancellation by providing your password one more time. This additional security measure ensures the process is intentional and also safeguards your store from unauthorized deletions. Now, the only thing that remains between you and the final cancellation is the Final Confirmation button. Once you click this, you've officially deactivated your store and canceled your subscription. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to proceed carefully, and thank you for listening.